Did you think Earth is the only lonely planet capable of supporting life? Well, not anymore, because a group of researchers just found an exoplanet, orbiting its star in a habitable zone. I'm talking about our nearest star system, Proxima Centauri. A group of researchers, while observing Proxima Centauri for a long period of time, discovered something strange about the star. The star caught their attention when every 11.2 days the light from the star shifted slightly. This phenomenon is called Doppler shift. In this shift, the star appeared to be moving toward Earth slightly and then away slightly from Earth. This shift indicated the presence of the Proxima b on August 4, 2016. Proxima b is 4.2 light-years away from Earth, orbiting a red dwarf star in the habitable zone. Proxima is 1.3 times the size of Earth, and as it is in the habitable zone, scientists believe that it might even have an atmosphere and liquid water on its surface. Yet there is no evidence supporting this fact. If the planet has atmosphere and liquid water and it manages hanging on to that state, it might be able to support life, and who knows, it might become our second home someday in the future. In fact, many telescopes are pointing at the planet to find the evidence supporting the fact as we speak right now. Now, don't get excited yet, because with pros, there are some cons about the planet, about which we will talk later in part 2 of this video. As the planet completes one orbit in 11.2 days, one day on Proxima b is 11.2 times that of Earth. The distance between Proxima b and the star is 7.5 million kilometers, which is about 5% of distance between Sun and the Earth. If Earth was so close to Sun as Proxima b is, our Sun would have fried it by now. Well, so much for a habitable zone. But here is the twist. The Proxima Centauri is 500 times less brighter than our Sun and is 33 times smaller than our Sun, which makes the planet habitable, and let alone that, it receives only 65% radiation from its star, which is 6% lesser than what Earth receives from our Sun. Exciting. Previously in this video, I told you that researchers are not yet sure if this planet has an atmosphere. If it doesn't, then we would probably freeze to death, because normal temperature here is -40 degrees. That's cold. Another good news is that this planet might have a magnetic field, similar to what our Earth has. If this is true, then the magnetic field will deflect maximum amount of radiation coming out of the red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri. Talking about red dwarf star, light on Proxima b won't be same as what our planet Earth gets from Sun. Light on Proxima b will be somewhat red, because of the red dwarf star. Now, let's talk about traveling to Proxima Centauri. I hate to break it to you, but it's not possible to get to Proxima Centauri in near future with today's technology. It would take us 73,000 years, traveling at the speed of Voyager 1, to get to Proxima Centauri. If we somehow manage to invent a warp drive of some kind, it will take only 4.2 years to get to Proxima Centauri. But this is also not possible in the near future, because there are some limitations and law of physics which won't allow us to do so. So for the time being, what we can do is bear with time, and only wonder what future awaits. I request you to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.